Hi students, I am Praveen Sebastian Paul. In this lecture, we are discussing the example number 4 for the Boolean function simplification using 3-variable K-map for the SOP representation. So my dear students, in the lecture number 71, we had discussed the different rules for SOP reduction using K-map. Those rules includes pair reduction, chord reduction, octet reduction, map rolling reduction, overlapping group and redundant group rules. These rules are detailed in the lecture number 71. So dear students, kindly go through the lecture number 71 and continue this lecture. So we are discussing the example number 4. Our question is, simplify the Boolean function AB plus B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C using 3-variable K-map. So our given function is AB plus B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C. So here we can see 3 different variables. Those variables are A, B and C, and in the first set and the second set is missing one variable each. So while reducing a K-map or while reducing an SOP, all the independent terms should have all the variables. The first term is AB, which is represented in the red color, is missing the variable C. Therefore, we should add C plus C bar to this term. And the second term, which is represented in the blue color, is missing the variable A. Therefore, A plus A bar should be added to this term. Thus, the ANDed representation will become AB into C plus C bar plus B bar C bar into A plus A bar plus A bar B bar C. Thus, while expanding, this will become ABC plus ABC bar plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C. While considering the K-map or the SOP representation, ABC can be represented in SOP as 1, 1, 1. A B C bar can be represented as 1, 1, 0. A B bar C bar can be represented as 1, 0, 0. A bar B bar C bar can be represented as 0, 0, 0, and A bar B bar C can be represented as 0, 0, 1. That is, 1, 1, 1 is the min term M7. 1, 1, 0 is the min term M6. 1, 0, 0 is the min term M4. 0, 0, 0 is the min term M0, and 0, 0, 1 is the min term M1. Thus, these positions should be marked in the K-map. Since we are dealing with a 3-variable K-map, the total number of cells in the K-map should be 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8 cells. That is, we are using a K-map with 8 cells. Here in this 3-variable K-map, the 2 rows represent the variable A and A bar, and the 4 columns represent the variables B and C. The row is representing the variable A. The first row is A bar, that is A is equal to 0, and the second row is A with variable A is equal to 1. And the first column is B bar C bar, that is 0, 0. Second column is 0, 1, that is B bar C. Third column is 1, 1, that is BC, and fourth column is 1, 0, that is BC bar. And in the next step, what we have to do is represent the min terms on this K-map. That is, we have to represent the min term 0, 1, 4, 7 and 6. So we are representing 1 on these positions. That is 0, 1, 4, 6 and 7 are represented with 1 in this K-map, and the rest of the cells are represented with a 0. Thus, the given Boolean function AB plus B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C can be represented in K-map by using these 5 different cells, that is the cells 0, 1, 4, 6 and 7. In the next step, what we have to do is reduce these K-map using different rules. Firstly, we are considering the pair reduction rule. In the pair reduction rule, we are pairing the cells 0 and 1 and it is represented in the red color. The second group is the second pair, that is the cell number 6 and 7 is paired using pair reduction rule, and the third pair can be considered in two different ways, and in the case number 1 we are pairing the cells 0 and 4 using the overlapping group rule or overlapping pair grouping rule. Thus we have three different pairs in this given K-map. The first pair, which is represented in the red color, is pairing the cells 0 and 1, and in this pair we can see this pair lies in the row number 1, in which the value of A is 0, that is the value of A is A bar, which is unchanged, and the values of B and C varies from 0, 0 to 0, 1, which means that the value of B is 0 in both these cells, while the value of C is changing from 0 to 1. Thus, the unchanged variable should be considered for the final reduction. Thus, the first pair's reduced form is A bar, B bar. And the second pair, which is represented in the yellow color, the second pair contains the cell 6 and 7, which lies in the row number 2. In the row number 2, the value of A is 1, which is unchanged since this pair is lying in the second row, and the values of B and C are 1, 1 and 1, 0. That is, the value of B in the cell number 6 is 1 and 7 is 1, and the value of C in cell number 7 is 1 and cell number 6 is 0. That is, the value of C is changing from 1 to 0. The unchanged variables are A and B. Thus, the reduced form of the second pair is A, B, since the values of A and B are 1. And the third pair is the cell number 0 and 4, and these pair lie in the first column. Thus, the value of A is changing from 0 to 1 while we are traveling from cell number 0 to cell 4 in the row 1 to row 2, and the values of B and C is unchanged, and the value of BC is 0, 0, which is represented as B bar, C bar. Therefore, the reduced form of third pair is B bar, C bar. Thus, the SOP for this case is A bar, B bar plus AB plus B bar, C bar. Thus, the SOP for the given function AB plus B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar, C is A bar, B bar plus AB plus B bar, C bar. So, as we mentioned, we can pair the third pair in two different cases or two different ways. That is, the first pair is the cell 0 and 1, second pair is the cell 7 and 6, and the third pair can be paired using map rolling reduction rule also. That means the pair 0, 4 can be avoided, and the third pair can be represented by using the map rolling reduction rule by the cells 4 and 6. We are pairing the cells 4 and 6 using map rolling reduction rule. Thus, the value of third pair can be A, C bar in this case. That is, in the second case, the value of third pair is A, C bar. And here in the case number 2, the reduced form or the SOP is A bar, B bar plus AB plus AC bar. Thus, in this case, we have two different SOP solutions for this given function. The first SOP is A bar, B bar plus AB plus B bar, C bar, and the second SOP is A bar, B bar plus AB plus AC bar. So my dear student, hope you had understood this topic. So dear students, kindly go through this assignment question. Our question is, simplify the Boolean function f of KLM is equal to sigma of 0, 1, 2, 6, 7 using the 3 variable K-map reduction method. So my dear students, see you soon in the upcoming lecture. We will discuss the example number 5 for the 3 variable K-map reduction. So dear students, see you soon. Until then, goodbye. Thank you and all the best.